Good morning, student. I hope you have revised your work what I had given. Estimation and round of the numbers. How can you estimate and how can you take round of the numbers? So estimation and rounding of the numbers as estimation of as tens, estimation of 100, estimation of 1000. So estimation of 10, how can you do? First, estimation of the number 10. Estimation of the number 10, how can you do? See, for the estimation of the number 10 as tens, if you have the unit number only, means 1 to 9, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 9, 1 to till 9, this is 9 numbers. If in the exam it is given 4, estimate the number 4 as tens. So it will be 0. It will be 0. Before 4, it will be 0. 4, 3, 2 and 1. It will be 0. But 5 and after 5 means till 9. If we are estimating the number as tens, so if we are estimating 5 or more than 5, take your mind. If the number is equal to 5 or more than 5, you can estimate it till 10. 5 you can write 10, 6 also you can write 10, 7 also you can write 10, 8 also you can write 10, 9 also you can write 10. So in this way, 5 and more than 5 you can use and you can write 10, 10, 10, 10. Means 5 also 10, 6 also 10, 7 also 10, 8 also 10, 9 also 10. In this way, as tens place, you can estimate the number. Suppose the number is given 21, number is given 32, number is given 36. As estimating a 2-digit number as tens, how can you estimate? How can you taking round off? 21. So you see in 10, 1 0, last digit only it has 1 0. You take only one digit. You take only one digit, last digit, ones place. Only you estimate as ones place, but the value will come, that is estimation. Only you see ones place number. So ones place number is 1. 1 is less than 5. So you write before number. Before number just 21, before number is 20. So as estimation 10, it is 20. It is 20. See here 32. See last digit number 2. 2 is less than 5. So it means you write before number 30. As you estimate 32 as tens, it means it will be 30. But see 36. As last digit is 6. 6 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. It lies between 5 and as 10. So as tens place, it will be 10. 6 will be 10. So next number will be as tens place, will be 0, and this 6 will be tens place. So 1 will be added. Means 1 0 will be added here, and 1 digit here will be added. So 36, it will be 40. 36, it will be next number 40. Means tens place, here 1 0 should be necessary because tens place has for tens, estimating tens, it should be 1 0 here. So next will be after 36, because 6 is more than 5. So the next number I am making tens divisible by 10, so it is 40. Suppose to it is 145, 3 digit number. So then also only you see last digit as estimating tens. So 45 here, 145, 5 will change in 10. So here 45 after changing tens, so 4 will be 5 and 0 here. It will be 150. It will be 150. If it is 294, you see 4 is less than 5. It means it will be 290 only. So before 4, 90 will come, 9, 0, 4 will be 0. So after 9 it will be 0. So 290 means 290. It will be 290. So dear student, you can estimate the numbers like this. But for 100, how can you do for 100? Estimating hundreds. Estimating 100. Very easy. If 2-digit numbers are there, so you can find out as like that. Number 45, 48, 50, 62, 88, 99. If the numbers are given 1 to 99, 1 to 99. If the numbers are given 1 to 99, means maximum 2-digit number. How can you do? Suppose it is asking question 5. It is asking question estimate 100. It will be directly 0. 100 means nothing, 0 as estimating 5. If you are taking 2-digit number less than 50, like that 49. So you see for 100, 20 here, you take 2-digit number. One sentence for 20. Because in 100, 20 here, you take 2-digit number. So 49 as it is not 50. So for hundreds, you see 50 or more than 50, like that 51, 52, like that. 50 or more than 50, that will be counted as round of 100. So in this way 49 will be also 0. For 100, estimating 100, 49 will be also 0. But see 50 will be 50 to 99, it will be 100. It will be 100. Like that 50, suppose 55, it will be also 100. 88, it will be also 100. So if you are taking round of 50 and after that 50 till 99, it will be round off as 100. But see, I am taking 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit at estimating 100, like that 328. You see, we have the number 328. How can you estimate as 100? It is, you take 2-digit, because 20 here, you take 2-digit, 28. 28 is less than 50. 28 is means 28 is less than 50. 28 is less than 50. So less than 50, it means before number you write. Before number means 2 and 8, it will be 00. And estimating as this number, it will be 300. Because in the place of 2 and 8, it will be 00. Because it has no value as estimating 100. So it will be 300. See, 355. You take 2 digits, last 2 digits, so it is more than 50. more than 50. So you add as this number 100 plus 1, and here will be 0 0, because 50 will be 100. So 50 will be 100. So 300 and 100. Take your mind here. It is 1 times 100 means 300, and plus 50 will be 100, 100. So take your mind 300 and 100. So it will be estimated at 400. 400, because 55 more than 50. So this number estimating as 100, it will be 400. So in this way, the estimate you can do. If you are taking 5-digit number, as 67893, 67,893. It is 5-digit number. So how can you estimate 100? You take 2 digits. It is 93. 93 is more than 50. It means it will be 100. And it is 800. So 800, 1 times 100, 800, and plus 93 will be 100. So 100. Take in mind. So it will be 800 plus 100. So here, in the place of this number, you write this estimate 67, and 800 and plus 100, 900. So you write 900. So 67,900. It will be the estimation. I am taking round of 100. So real stand for 100, you understood. For 1000 you see. Estimation of 1000. How can you estimate 1000? As the number values of 1000. See, it is 1000. If the number is given less than 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, means maximum will be 999. Just less number is 999. If you are estimating 999, but see here, it is 30, taking 1000 place value, it is 30 here. So 30 means if you are taking 5,000, 30 here, 5,000. So in this way, you can do this. How you can do this? Here, 30 here, you take 3 digits. How can you do? Suppose the number is 435. You estimate in 1000. It will be 0 as estimating 1000. But 500, it will be estimated as 1000, because 500 is more than 5. At least you take 20 and 1 digit here, 500. So more than 500, like that 632, it will be also estimated as 1000. How? You see, this digit is for tens, for 1000, this 6 is 5 or more than 5. It is more than 5, 632. It is 6. 1 times 100, 600. Place value 600. So it will be estimated as taking 3 digits. So more than, it is 30 taking as 5,000. But here 1 times 100, 30. Only 500. 5 after 100, 5 after 100, 20, 1, 2, 3, it will be 3 digits. So after 500, so you can do for 1000 place only 500. not 5,500. Because I was taking 500, you can estimate this. Suppose to number is 880. It means also estimated as 1000. 999, it is also estimated as 1000. But if you are taking 4-digit number like that, 4345, you see this is less than 345 is less than 500. Less than 500. So it will be 0. 3, 4, 5 place it will be 0. So after 4, 0, 0, 0. It will be only 4000. Estimating as 1000. It will be 4000. What you see? 4,500. 4,500. So here I am taking 3 digit 1, 2, 3 because it has 30. 1000 has 30. So it is 5. So it will be the next, and 4,500 means 500 will be converted into 1000. So 4,000, it means 4,000 and plus 500 will be converted 1000, 1000. Means 4,000 and 1000 it will be 5,000. Means 5,000. I am estimating 4,500, it will be 5,000. It will cover in place value 1000 as 5,000. So in this way you can estimate the number as 10, 100 and 1000. And next also 10,000 lakh also you can estimate. So you see 0, before 0 also you use like that 5 for 10, for 100, 50 and for 1000, 500 or more than 500 and for lakh, for 10,000, 5,000 or more than 5,000, for lakh 50, more than 50,000, 50,000 or more than 50,000. So like this estimation takes place. So dear student, today we revise as the estimating of the number. Exercise number 1E, round off the nearest 10, round off to the nearest 100, round off to nearest to the 1000. I have given many examples, so you can round off examples also. 15 examples. Example of 15 also you can see. Many examples are there, so you can also see the example as it is given in your book, page number 18. It is given 5,392. So you can also replace as consist of the number as nearest 1000 it is asking for. So you take 3-digit number 392. 3-digit only because in 1000 30. So you can take 3-digit 392 and 392 is less than 5. So it will be many ways are there as to taking round off the number, but you can do like that what I had told, and this method also is good what is given in your book. So also you can do like that. So in this way you can do self practice 1E. Okay, for today's class, thank you.